Are you looking to grow your wealth but unsure where to start? Mutual funds are a great way to invest in the stock market without having to pick individual stocks. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This helps spread out the risk and can potentially lead to higher returns. There are different types of mutual funds to choose from, such as equity funds, bond funds, and money market funds. Each type has its own level of risk and potential return, so it's important to do your research and choose what's right for you. When investing in mutual funds, it's essential to consider factors like fees, past performance, and the fund manager's experience. These can all impact your investment success. Keep in mind that the stock market can be volatile, so it's crucial to have a long-term investment strategy and not panic during market fluctuations. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, mutual funds can be a valuable tool in growing your wealth. So, do your homework, diversify your investments, and stay informed. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.